show you how to make the best challah I've ever had, Jake Cohen's. Warm water, sugar, yeast, sugar, vegetable oil, honey, egg, mix. Grab my friend the dough hook and put that on your mixer. Add the flour and add the sea salt. Mix this together. Give your dough a little smack to show it who's boss. Put some olive oil in a bowl. Drop the dough in so it can take a little nap. Cover with a damp cloth and let it sit for 2 hours. You want like 6 strands that are all about 18 inches and like snakes. So pinch all of the tops together like this. Now put this in the oven for 40 minutes, and once it's been baking for 20 minutes, flip it around.